Hi, hello, good afternoon, 15th of May. Today we have Apple Watch. I have a couple of Apple Watches. This is, I think, this is Series 4 for sure, and that has been disassembled. I'm sure this is Series 1. Yeah, this is Series 1. This is Series 1. And well, the common problem in these is that what it just shows Apple logo and then it just disappears. So probably it is something to do with the battery. And also another sign of this is that when it's charging, it shows Apple logo, and you take the charger off, it goes off. As soon as you take the charger off, that will go off. So that most of the time is a problem with battery. So what I have a donor watch, and I have took the battery out as well. I have two of the batteries, so I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna see what does it do. Stay with us. Okay, so I replaced the battery. This is the old battery. The new battery is in. Well, I won't say new, but was taken out from the donor thing, donor watch. So it's in, but that is still doing the same. So I'm gonna try third one. Let's see what it is to do. Right, so now I've replaced another battery on, and that is doing something good. It's not going off like it was going before. We're showing Apple logo and going off. So now it stays on Apple logo. So you're gonna see, does it come to the normal mode or does it stay on the Apple logo? Excuse me. Then we have Series 4 here. Apple Watch Series 4. What's the problem with that? If you see the screen and this scrolling up and down itself, there's also zooming in and out itself as well. So you're gonna see that zooming in and out itself. So most probably it is the problem with the crown. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this crown and put it into this a customer's watch, and we're gonna see that that works or not. In the meantime, this watch Series 1 still booting up. Okay, we're gonna see what is it doing. Oh yes, it came on. So that's on now. Yeah, it's on. Touch is working. Crown is okay. Button looks okay. The button may not working. Why not working? Maybe it's disconnected. So anyway, the button probably is disconnected. So I'm gonna have a look, and we're gonna see if does it have a code or not, because we don't need a code. If we got a code, then we might have a problem. We won't. I mean, the problem would be that we'll not be able to check it. So yeah, this one looks okay. It had a faulty battery, so we have replaced the battery. So if you have any Apple Watches to get fixed, then do let us know and we can fix it for you. Cheers, thank you very much. So we have disassembled most of the stuff from the Series 4 watch, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna desolder this part, the crown part, the back, the flex. And the first we're gonna try this flex. This is the flex for the crown, connected, soldered here, and this is also the part of it. So we're gonna take this flex off, and then we're gonna put this in the customer's watch. So stay with us and we'll see what does it do. So this is what actually is happening on this watch. Okay, you see this? It goes in and out, zooming in and out itself. without doing anything. So that's why we're gonna fix it with the crown from the donor board. I think this series 4 crown not working, reel was not working, so I took it off, and the old flex, this is the donor one, so we're gonna put it in and you're gonna see that what does it do. Stay with us. Okay, so this Apple Watch series 4 had a problem with that crown was zooming in and out itself, and we're gonna put the code in. And we're gonna see, okay, the good news is it's not going up and down. It was going up and down before, and as soon as you press this button, crown, and that was zooming in and out itself, which is looks good now. It's working with the crown switch now, but before it was just doing itself. So it's amazing, looks good. So yeah, this watch is done as well. We've done a 2 watch today. Yeah, one of this one still with us. It's done, but it got activation thing inside, so we don't know. So this watch was done with the donor watch, and this flex was faulty in this. So it's been fixed, and if you have anything like this, do let us know. We can fix it for you. Cheers, thank you very much.